Hey you guys, I hope y'all are having a good day. It's beautiful here in Kentucky today, and we're going to have something a little different. So the past few days I've had my mama on my mind and something she used to cook for us, usually just Thanksgiving or Christmas, but today we're going to have some fried turkey. I went to Kroger and they had a small turkey breast on sale, and I got it and I brought it home and I've already cut it up. You just cut it up in little strips, and I'm going to show you where we're at and show you how to make it. So, here's what we got. Okay, I've got my turkey already cut up in little pieces. There's what it looks like. I've got 2 eggs and a cup of milk in my bowl. We're just going to coat that really good. Now back here I've got self-rising cornmeal and flour, equal parts. We're just going to coat that really good. I think I'm going to give it a double dip today. Put it in our skillet. I'm going to do another big piece. Anytime I say that I've got flour in a bowl, it's usually self-rising. I hardly ever use all-purpose flour. And I like White Lily. Already got my salt and pepper in this bowl. You guys, that's all there is to it. I'll be back to show you how it turns out. Hey you guys, I'm back. So I'm going to show you what our fried turkey's looking like. Getting good and brown. Now back here, I went ahead, I had a few of those green tomatoes left, and that we canned, and so instead of throwing out our cornmeal and flour, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dip them, use those eggs up, and just roll them in your cornmeal and your flour. Because there's really no use to waste it, right? We got supper cooking now. Be right back. Hey you guys, so I'm back. I'm going to show you what we got. Got a whole plate of fried turkey and fried green tomatoes. I hope you guys have a good supper. Hope y'all have a good night. And listen, I want to tell you guys, I got the best compliment from a young mother the other day. She said, not all of us have had someone to teach us how to cook. And she said, I'm so glad you're doing your videos. And I really needed that because I second guess myself a lot, but I hope you guys are enjoying these. I love to cook. I'm just not real sure about videoing, but I'm doing the best I can, and I hope y'all have a good night, and I hope you guys try these. Bye-bye.